grade 7B, studying Achariya Bala siksha Mandir IIT JIPMER campus Thengaithittu. So today I am going to add the following fractions with the fraction scale. I have taken the set of fraction scale that's with the denominator 13 as per the question given. So I have considered the first scale as 14 by 13 and a down scale as 11 by 13. So I have to take the 11 by 13 of the down scale to the up scale 0. As you can see, I have bringed it. So after that 14 by 13, nearby it is called the 25 by 13. So the mixed fraction of it is 112 by 13. So now I am going to subtract the following fractions with the fraction scale. So the question is given behind, that's 24 by 13 minus 12 by 13. So I also consider the first scale as 24 by 13 and down as 12 by 13. So I have to bring the 24 by 13 and 12 by 13 in the same line. As you can see, I have bring it. Then we should see the down scale of 0 to the up numbers. So the answer is 12 by 13. So it is a proper fraction. So it does not have the mixed fraction. This scale is used for adding and subtracting of the fractions of the limited numbers given in the fraction scale. Thank you. Love you all.